Unboxing the Attack Shark x68 HE. Right, so let's just mess up. Holy bro. So you got the strap for it. I think that's what it's called. The keycap puller. Some like stickers. I think, are they stickers? Yeah, some stickers. Just the manual, we don't need that. Right, and now for the big one there. Holy, bro, look at that. That is nice. Oh! I like it almost forgot about the charger, I think, yeah. And it's got the power cable. Yeah. Well, let's get this set up and I'll show you when it's all on. So guys, you've kind of got a problem. Like, I took the strap out, but like, I kind of don't know how to put it on. So yeah. Right guys, I finally got it on. There's the strap. Right, now I'm just gonna plug it in again. Wow. Right, I don't know how to change RGB. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Oh, found it. Oh, purple's fire. Just a quick audio here. Sorry about the audio. My mic wasn't plugged in. So yeah, my bad.